Let's see how to add button in PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Open your PDF file, then go to Tools. Under All Tools, you have to click on Prepare Form. Here, click on Start. And here, you will find a bunch of different fields or options to add to your PDF file. So this OK is a button. So select OK and then draw a button according to your choice. Now click on All Properties, select General. Here you can name your button. You can add here a tooltip, and then Form field, make sure to select here Visible, then go to Appearance. Here you can customize your button color and go to Position. You can adjust your button position from here. Go to Options. Here Layout, you can select Level Only, or you can select Icon Only. You can also select Icon Top, Level Bottom, Level Top, Icon Bottom. So I'm selecting here Level Only, and Behavior selecting None. And in this level box, we have to type our button text. Let's add here Visit our site, and then go to Actions. Here select Trigger. I'm selecting Mouse Up and select Action. Click on this drop down, and here you will find a bunch of different button action. You can select Execute a menu item. You can select Go to a page view. You can select Import from data. You can select Open a file. So here you will find bunch of different options. You can also make the button for Submit a form. In my case, I'm selecting here Open a web link and then clicking on Add. And here just enter your website URL. And then just add the action here and then click on Close, click on Preview. And here, as you can see, I've successfully created a button in my PDF file.